We all love watching wildlife, whether it be hummingbird moving between colorful flowers, or it be two playful deers jumping around on a river without having the knowledge of who they are being watched by, on the river surface and underneath. Well, some might decide to stay away from the river, but predators are well versed in water, on land, and even up in the air. While things might sound complicated or tangled, but eventually they find a solution. And there's no respite even when you get a good catch. It's best not to advertise and secure it before it's gone. Please join me on my channel on many such adventures that keep you engaged and help learn some photo and video tricks. Please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video.